Hey everybody, it's Jenny from Norman S. Wright. So last week I got to go visit the ABB factory and we talked about harmonics and VFDs, but I think I need to take a step back and cover what is a VFD. So let's get started. VFD stands for Variable Frequency Drive. VFDs are used to control equipment like motors and pumps by varying the frequency of their voltage to control their speed. You also hear them referred to as variable speed drive, AC drive, or inverters. VFDs are used because most conventional building HVAC system applications are designed to operate fans and pumps at a constant speed, but building loads are not constant. In fact, the majority of the time, buildings run below peak load. If during these times of less than peak demand, drive motors continue to operate at full speed, then they use the same amount of energy and will waste money, regardless of the actual heating and cooling load on the system. VFDs allow you to match the actual load throughout the year to save energy. So let's make some room and look at how they work. VFDs sit between the electrical supply and the motor. Power from the electrical supply goes into a drive, and then the drive regulates the power that is fed to the motor. There are basically three components in the VFD we need to talk about. First of all, inside the drive, the input power is run through a rectifier. That converts the incoming AC power to DC power. So I tried to draw a sine wave multiple times and they all came out horrible, so we're going to use pictures for this. So this is your AC power coming in, and the rectifier converts it to DC power, which looks like this. Next, the DC power is fed to capacitors, which smooths out the electrical form to provide clean power for the next step. Let's make a little more room. Then this DC power flows to the inverter, which changes the DC output back to an AC power that goes to the motor. This also allows the drive to adjust the frequency and voltage that feed the motor based on demand. So if it sends the original 60 Hz signal, then the motor operates at full speed. But if it sends, say, 40 Hz signal, it'll operate at a slower speed. This means that you can run your AC motors at the speed needed to match your demand load. So that's what VFDs are and how they work. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.